Hello everyone, I'm Joel, your host for Talking Trends, where we explore real estate trends and provide luxury lifestyle updates for the greater Sarasota area. Today we're taking a look at year-end 2025 results compared to 2024. As always, I've broken Sarasota County's luxury market into single-family homes and condominiums, and then further into price points: 1 to 2 million, 2 to 4 million, over 4 million, and ultra luxury properties over 10 million. From a high level, 2025 marked a clear transition into a buyer-driven market, especially in the upper luxury segments. While select price points showed resilience, inventory growth was the defining thing across nearly every category. So let's start off with single-family homes. In the 1 to 2 million range, sales increased nearly 4% year over year, showing continued demand in this core luxury segment. However, active listings climbed almost 28%, pushing months of supply to just under 5 months. Average prices softened modestly, down about 3.5%, signaling growing buyer leverage even in this traditionally strong category. Moving into the 2 to 4 million segment, sales rose a healthy 14% compared to last year. At the same time, inventory expanded more than 40%, bringing months of supply above 10 months. Prices remain relatively stable, up just 2%, suggesting this segment is active. We will see how inventory affects pricing in this segment in 2026. In the over 4 million single-family home market, sales dipped slightly, down about 6%, while inventory surged nearly 46%. Months of supply now exceed 25 months, firmly placing this segment in buyer market territory. Average sold prices declined approximately 9%, reflecting longer timelines and increased negotiation power for buyers. At the ultra luxury level over 10 million, activity remained limited. Sales dropped from 10 transactions in 2024 to just 4 in 2025, while active listings jumped to 33 homes. Months of supply reached extremely elevated levels. Average pricing increased due to the small number of transactions, but volatility remains high at this level. Turning to condominiums, the $1 to $2 million condo market saw sales decline by roughly 33%, while inventory climbed nearly 65%. Months of supply more than doubled, now sitting above 12 months. Average pricing slightly, reinforcing the shift toward buyer-friendly conditions. In the 2 to 4 million condo segment, sales were down about 25%, with listings up more than 40%. Months of supply nearly doubled to over 13 months. Despite this, average prices rose modestly by about 2.5%, showing relative pricing stability even as absorption slowed. The over $4 million condo category experienced the most dramatic shift. Sales fell nearly 66% year over year, while inventory rose more than 27%. However, note that sales in 2024 in this category were driven by closings at the St. Regis on Longboat. Months of supply jumped from just over 8 months to more than 31 months, indicating significantly longer selling timelines. Average sold prices declined approximately 8%. And finally, condos over 10 million saw only 2 sales in 2025, down from 10 the year prior. Inventory increased and months of supply climbed sharply, underscoring how buyers in this segment are at the top of the food chain. So what does all this mean? The story of 2025 is inventory. Across nearly every segment, supply increased substantially, shifting negotiating power towards buyers. While certain price points, particularly single-family homes between 1 and 4 million, continue to show activity, higher and luxury and ultra-luxury markets are experiencing longer timelines and more price sensitivity. Average prices overall remain relatively stable in the mid-luxury tiers, but softened meaningfully in the 4 million plus categories. Looking ahead to 2026, there are many factors that will shape the market: inventory, interest rates, global economic uncertainty, and buyer confidence among them. Certainly, in the first month of 2026, we have seen true positive buyer engagement. Perhaps buyers are realizing that there may not be a better time to buy. As we say, the market rewards preparation, not hesitation. For these buyers, selection has never been better, and opportunities exist across all luxury segments. For sellers, success will depend on realistic pricing, strategic positioning, and high-quality marketing. And as always, remember, while we review county-wide trends, real estate is hyper-local. Your neighborhood, your building, even your specific street may behave very differently. That's why having an experienced, market-savvy advisor matters more than ever, because in today's market, trust is the difference. Thanks for joining us today on Talking Trends. We look forward to seeing you on our next segment. See you soon.